Hello guys, welcome to Linux Text. Today in this video I'll be telling you how to enter in a blog site. So let me show you first. Here you can see this is my favorite site. Okay, I'll be entering in this. So I have tapped in it, and here you can see I can't access the website. So for doing this you should have a VPN. So download it from Play Store. You can use any of the VPN. I use Turbo VPN. Here you can see I have already installed. If you have not installed it, install it, open it, and now so you have done, and tap this caret icon and just tap on OK. Let's do once again. You see guys, did you see we have now been connected to the proxy server. So now let's again go to this world free for you. Here is it. Okay, now let's enter. Ho ho ho! You can see now we have entered our favorite site. So thanks for watching this guys. If you liked it, please share and subscribe my video, and also do comment how was this trick.